To change the lock screen clock on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can open the settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to the wallpaper and style. Here, we're gonna tap on the lock screen, and then we can start customizing the clock by tapping on the clock. Now in here, we should be able to grab by the corner in order to resize the clock. And if you tap again, of course, we should be able to find this menu. Oh, by the way, we can also drag it around in order to change the position of the clock as well. Now here we have the font selection, so you can choose a different font for the clock if you want to. We can move left and right over here on this slider to adjust the thickness of the clock, of the font on the clock. And over here we also have the color, so we can choose a different color for the clock as well. Now, besides that, if you go to style, you should be able to find a couple of different faces, which also depend on the font itself. So in some cases, some fonts cannot do not allow you to use different faces. So of course, we can choose whichever one you would like to use over here. And also, we can find this information over here, like the weather information. We can turn it on or turn it off quite easily. And we can also move the date to be above the clock. And that is pretty much it. Of course, if you made your changes, you need to tap on Done in the upper right corner to save it. Leave a like and subscribe.